Unpack my snowboard bag. Olympic edition.
Boot liners, extras. They're heated, by the way. My actual boots. Also heated. My yoga mat, which I folded very poorly. This has all my beanies, gloves, goggles, base layers, socks. A head. No, I'm kidding. My helmet. Bindings and spare binding parts. Snowboards. Four snowboards. Why don't I show you what is in the bag that I take to the mountain every day? It's big. I'm an overpacker. Workout bag. Not one extra face mask, but two. Toes, warmer. Helmet, goggles. Hot girls wear that cut off. I'll repeat. Hot girls wear helmets. Puffer. Extra pair of gloves that are too thin and they're freezing here. Extra goggles and lenses. I'm from California, so I like riding in a sweatshirt or long sleeve, so sweatshirt. Water bottle and a phone charger, so it can get cold and your phone dies fast. And then snacks, but I don't have any in there right now. I gotta pack them.
It's uniform time.
Bag number 1. Boom. What else we got? Some pants. This is all my gear I'm using riding in the competition and training. So bags are super cool. You can see they have some really awesome indigenous art on them. This is a sick rolly bag. Boom. That's pretty cool. I like that. That's sweet. So that's the opening ceremony jacket. What else we got? This is usually this one is the podium jacket, so let's use that next week. This thing's friggin' heavy. What is inside of this? Yeah, boxing kangaroo. He's coming out.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.